So dear students and parents, today we are going to see some mathematics examples which were asked in previous examinations. These questions were asked in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance examination class 6th. So let us see first question. So what is first question here? What sum will amount to rupees 6,600 in 4 years at 8% per annum simple interest? So what is given here, students? Amount is given, that is 6,600. N is given, that period is given 4 years, and rate of interest is given 8%. So what is to be calculated here? We have to calculate amount. We have to calculate the principal amount. What is our question? If we are getting this amount 6,600 in 4 years by simple interest at the rate of 8%. So what is that amount which was invested for 4 years? So we know that amount is equal to principal plus simple interest PNR upon 100. This PNR upon 100 is the formula for simple interest. So 6,600. So P is to be calculated. So P into N is 4, rate is 8 upon 100, we can say that. So let us take P on the left hand side here. 6,600 minus P is equal to 32P upon 100. Take this 100 on left hand side. So 100 in bracket 6,600 minus P is equal to 32P. Multiply this bracket by 100. So it will be 66 and 2 more zeros we have to write. Minus 100P is equal to 32. So it will be we can say that 6,60,000 is equal to 100. If we take here minus 100 on the right hand side, it will be 132P. So P is equal to this upon 132. So 11 ones are 11 twos are 11 six are, so 12 ones are 12 fives are. It will be 5,000. So 5,000 will be our answer. So let us solve second question here. So we have to simplify this. Okay. So to simplify this, what we have to, what is the method or trick, we can say that here. We have to calculate first the operations inside the bracket. So let us solve this here. So 15 integer 1 by 2 means 2 into 15 30, 30 plus 1. It is 31 upon 2 minus. So let us take this multiplication. 5 will get cancelled. 4 2s are 4 3s are 12. So 3 upon 2 plus. Now let us solve this bracket now. Or inside the bracket. Here 7 divided by 1 integer 3 by 4 means 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4. And this bracket is multiplied by 2. So it is 31 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2 plus 7 into. So if we change the division sign and write multiplication, then we have to take its inverse. 4 upon 7 into 2. So 31 upon 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 7 will get cancelled with 2. This is 2. 31 upon 2 minus, this is 2 into 4 8, 8 plus 3, 11 upon 2 into 2, we can say that. So 31, the denominator is same. 31 minus 11 into 2 means 22 upon 2, it will be 9 upon 2. So 9 upon 2. is our answer. What is important here, students, while solving these type of examples, we have to do, or we have to solve, or we have to open this bracket first. So while opening the brackets, we have to remember this rule, Bodmer's rule. B means bracket, open brackets, and inside the bracket of a sequence of operation, first division, where there is division, we have to make divisions, then multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So in this sequence, we have to solve the operations inside the brackets. Okay, let us see next question. So which of the following number is divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6? So dear students, if you observe here, a number which is divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6 is 60. What is trick here? If we take its LCM of these four numbers, then we will get the least number which is divisible by given these four numbers. So let us calculate LCM. To calculate LCM, we have to factorize these numbers. So 3 is a prime number. So factors of 2, 2 into 2, 5 is again prime number, 6. So 3 into 2. What is LCM here? LCM means we have to take multiplication of common factors. This is common. 3. Again 2 is common here. So 2. Now we have to write remaining numbers 2 and 5. 2 into 5. So 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 10 means 60. So this will be our answer. Now let us see one more important question. Which of the following statement is correct? This is important question. 0 is odd number. This is wrong. 0 is even number. This is also wrong. 0 is prime number. This is also wrong. So you have to remember 0 is neither odd nor even number. So this is our answer. So let us see one more important question here. There are 500 eggs in a bag. In a bag, there are 500 eggs. So out of these 500 eggs, 3 upon 25th got broken. So we'll write here broken eggs is equal to 500 into, we have to multiply by 3 upon 20. So 25 ones are, 25 twos are, that means it is 60. So 60 eggs got broken. Now remaining, so remaining, what will be remaining? Remaining eggs to be sold. 500 minus 60, it is 440. So out of these 440, 4/5 of eggs were sold. That means sold eggs I can write. 450 into 4 upon 5. Right. So 5 ones are egg left is. We have to calculate number of left eggs. So left eggs is equal to 500 minus sold eggs 352 plus broken eggs 60. So it is 500 minus 412. This is equal to 88. That means our answer will be this. So let us see one more question. A man travels at a speed of 30 km per hour. He reaches his destination 10 minutes late, and if he travels at a speed of 24 km per hour, he reaches his destination 10 minutes early. So we'll write here normal speed. Normal speed is equal to x. Our normal speed is equal to x. So distance is equal to here. or instead of normal speed we can say that normal time. I will write here normal time is equal to x. So distance is equal to, if speed is 30 kilometer per hour, then he reaches 10 minutes late. 10 minutes late means in normal time is x plus 10 minutes means 10 upon 60 hours, we can say that. Then same distance with the speed of 42 kilometers per hour, then man reaches 10 minutes early. That means x minus 10 upon 60. Here students, this distance is same. That means we can take these two right hand sides same. So 30 into x plus 10 upon 60 is equal to 42 into x minus 10 upon 60, I can say that. So it multiplied by the 30. So it is 30x plus 30 into 10 upon 60 is equal to 42x minus 42 into 10 upon 60. So this 30, 2s are 2 1s are 2 5s. It will be 30x plus 5 is equal to 42x minus 7. This 10 will get cancelled. So what will be this here, Mucho? So I can write here 5 plus 7 is equal to 42 minus 30. 42x minus 30. So 5 plus 5, 12 is equal to, this is 12x. This implies x is equal to 12 upon 12 means 1. So what is to be calculated? We have to calculate distance. We have calculated this. X is equal to 1. So if you put 1 here or here, we will get the answer. So distance is equal to 30 in bracket 1 plus 10 upon 60. So what will be this, students? This is 30 plus multiplied by 30. 30 into 10 upon 60. So what? See, 2 is a 2 is a 5. So 30 plus 5, it will be 35. A passenger train running at a speed of 80 km per hour leaves a railway station 6 hours after a goods train leaves and overtakes it in 4 hours. So what is meaning of this? So first goods train starts and after 6 hours this passenger train starts, and after 6 hours starting it overtakes goods train after 4 hours. That means time taken by goods train to reach this point is 6 hours plus 4 hours, that is 10 hours. So what is this? We have to calculate the speed of goods train. So speed is, suppose this is x into 10. So this we have to understand how is 10 hours time is coming, because here students that passenger trains is leaving the station after 6 hours and after 4 hours it is overtaking. That means the time taken by the goods train to reach from A point to B, it will be 6 plus 4, 10 hours. Then the same distance travelled by passenger train, its speed is given 80 km. 80 into, and it is reaching the point of overtaking after 4 hours. That means 80 into 4. Now these two distances are same. This implies x into 10 is equal to 80 into 4. So therefore x is equal to, I can say that 80 into 4 upon 10 is 0, 0 will get cancelled. So x is equal to 32 kilometer per hour. That means the speed of the goods train is 32. So let us understand one more question, Bacho. An article is sold for 500 and hence a loss is incurred. That means we can say that cost price of an article, it is selling price plus loss, we can say that. Okay. Then had the article been sold for rupees 700, the shopkeeper would have gained 3 times the foregone loss. That means we can say that selling or cost price, I will write here cost price is equal to 700, that what is here 3 times the gain is, means profit is 3 times the loss. That means we have to subtract this 3 times loss so that it will be a cost price. So this is cost price, this is cost price, so we can write 500 plus L is equal to 700 minus 3L. So L plus 3L is equal to 700 minus 500. 4L is equal to 200. L is equal to 200 upon 4. L is equal to 50. So what is our question here? What is the cost price of the article? The cost price of article is 500 plus L. L is 50. So 500 plus 50 means 550. A fruit seller buys lemon at 2 for a rupees and sells them at 5 for rupees 3. What is his profit percent? So we'll calculate here cost price of a lemon. So for 2 rupees 1 for 2 is here, a fruit seller buys at 2 for 1 rupee. That means cost price of 1 lemon will be 1 upon 2, that is 0.50. For 1 rupees there are 2 lemons, that means cost of 1 rupee will be 1 by 2. Cost of selling price of a lemon is 3 upon 5. That means 0 upon 0.60. If we cancel this here, the profit per percent is equal to selling price minus cost price upon cost price into 100. So this is 0.6 minus 0.5 upon 0.5 into 100. Okay. So what is this here, Ocho? 0.6 minus 0.5, it will be 0.1 upon 0.5 into 100. So this point we can cancel. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. So profit percent will be 20%. So this is our answer. So how many rectangular slabs of 10 centimeter by 8 centimeter are required to cover the floor of a hall 12 meter by 10 meter? So this is simple question, students. So we have to cover the floor of a hall. What is the area of hall? Area of hall 12 meter by 10 meter. So if we divide area of hall by area of rectangular slab, then we will get number of rectangular slabs. That is, what is here, 10 centimeter by 8 centimeter. You see, students, here meter and the denominator dimensions are in centimeter. So we have to convert in the same unit. So 12 meter means what? 1200 centimeter. This is 1000 centimeter upon. So 10 by 10 centimeter by 8 centimeter, we can say. This we can cancel here, this 1 0. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2 5s. So it will be 150 into 100. So it will be 15,000. The number of slabs will be 15,000. Two solid cubes of side 10 centimeter each are joined end to end. See here, students, there are two solid cubes joined end to end. Okay, these two solid cubes are joined end to end. Side 10 centimeter each. So this will be 10, 10, 10, and this is 10. What is the volume of the resulting cuboid? So this will be a cuboid if we join two cubes of the same dimensions. So its volume is equal to L into B into H. So length will be this 10 plus 10, 20. Breadth is 10, and this will be height also 10. So 20 into 100, that means it will be 2000. We can say that 2000 centimeter cube. So this will be our answer. 5 minutes past 3 in the afternoon is written as, it will be what, bachcho? 5:05 p.m. 5 minutes past 3 afternoon. In afternoon we write p.m. and that means our answer will be, this will be 3.05. 5 minutes past 3, not 5. So it will be 3.05. So this will be our answer. When minus 1 is multiplied by itself 100 times, here you have to remember, students, if minus 1 is multiplied by even number of times, then it will be always 1. If minus 1 is multiplied by odd number times, then it is always minus 1. So 100 is even number, so minus 1 is multiplied even number times, so its multiplication will be plus 1. This will be answer. The rectangular plot of land is twice its breadth. So rectangular plot is there, students. Its length is twice the length of breadth. Suppose breadth is x, then length will be 2x. A square swimming pool of side 8 meter occupies 1/8 part of the plot. The length of the plot is, so see here what is given here. So I can write area of plot, I can say that is equal to 2x into x. 2x into x, it is 2x square, I can say that. Okay. And what is the relation given? That the square swimming pool of side pool, it is square swimming pool, so it will be 8 into 8, I can say that 64 meters square. What is relation here? This area is 1/8 of this area, I can say that. That means 64 is 1/8 of square of plot 2x square. So I can write like this. So x square is equal to 64 into 2. So x is equal to square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 4 is 2. So this is equal to 16. So what is the length of the plot? So 16 is breadth. So length will be 32. The number of numbers which are multiples of 3 and 5 in the first 100 natural numbers. So multiples of 3 and 5 is 3 and 5 is multiples of 15. Multiples of 3 and 5 means multiples of 3 into 5, 15. So we have to calculate multiples of 15 in the first 100 natural number. So first multiple of 15 will be 15, second will be 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. So these are the multiples of 15 in the first 100 natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 will be our answer. What is the sum of the place values of 5 in the number? This 84, 3, 5, 6. So what is the here place value of this 5? So write all these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is place value of this 5? Is 50. Okay. So we have to add this. Sum of the place values of 5. It will be 0, 5, is 3 zeros and 5. So this will be our answer. The difference between the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers formed by here without any repetition 0, 3, 6, 7 and 9. So greatest number, how to write greatest number? So write all these numbers in descending order. That means 9, 7, 6, 3 and 0. So this will be greatest number. Now smallest number, we have to write digits in ascending order or increasing order. But if I take here 0 first, then it will be a 4-digit number. So first we have to take second smallest digit, that is 3, then 0, 6, 7 and 9. So we have to write its difference now. Here 1, 8, 5, 7 means 9, 6, 6, 6, 9, 5, 1. 5045 grams is equal to, here 5045 can be written as 5000 grams plus 45 grams. So 5000 grams means 5 kilogram plus this is 45 grams. That means 45. This is 45. Huh? So 5 kilogram and 45 grams. So this will be our answer. 150% is equal to 150 upon rate. So this will get cancelled. It is equal to 1.5. Now let us simplify this for you. So what we will do, we'll do these two and these two. So 2.75 minus 1.25, 0.5.1. This is subtraction. Then 4.75, 3.80, 5, 9. We have to add all these. That is 1.50 plus 95, 0. So 2.45 can be written as 245 upon 100. This is digit. After decimal point, 2 digits are there. So it can be written. So 5 2s are 10, 0. 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are. So this can be written as 22s are 40, 9 remaining, 9 upon 20. So it is 2 integer 9 upon 20.